बालों की जो खरखर होती थी ना, that's almost गायब.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for taking the time out and joining us for the press conference of Lakme Absolute, a new high-performance, long-wear range of makeup that lasts up to 16 hours. At the turn of the decade, Lakme is once again reinventing itself with the Lakme Absolute range. And to tell us more about this exciting journey, join me in welcoming on stage General Manager Lakme, Ms. Farida Kalyadan. Let's give her a big round of applause, everyone. When you think of Absolute, the actual meaning of it is something that is complete, something that is in its purest form. So when you think of the absolute woman, what are the adjectives that would come to one's mind? Someone that's magnificent, someone that's stylish. Anyone would like to add to that? Attractive. Of course, a gentleman would only say that. So I'll put you in the hot seat about the midday. Is that okay?
You want to do that?
Because we have you here. So why would we not want to do that? Any three things that you love about midday? So if you have one suggestion, it would be...
Get the midday meal.
We have some wonderful performances, some magical moments, our raffle draw, and of course, the crowning of the Navy Queen Vizag. So let's give them a big round of applause, which I'm sure you will, as we give you the contestants for the Navy Queen Ball Vizag in Creations by Swapnil Shinde, on choreography for the pageant by Achala Sachdev, led by the acclaimed singer Shivani Kashyap. Air India, as you all know, has been the pioneer of aviation in India and has a very special place in the universe of aviation. This evening, we'd also like to thank our beverages partner, the UB Group, in helping us celebrate and raise a toast to the ads that attracted the most eyeballs. Welcome to this wonderful evening, which marks our 5-year celebrations. You know, ladies and gentlemen, in today's culture, 5 has a very, very important significance. Whether you're talking about the obvious 5 fingers and 5 toes, or you're talking about the 5 senses, or you're talking about the 5 elements of the universe, 5 is very predominant. In fact, today when you put television on, Salman Khan and Sanjay Dutt also keep going 5-5, 5-5, 5-5. We've all been watching that, haven't we? As soon as we run home, Big Boss is on. No, sir, come on, you've given us the answer. Don't you want to hear him say it?
Yes,
Come on.
Blue, white, red, black, and yellow.
Good program you conducted.
Oh, thank you. I got myself a 5-star and a Cadbury. We're very excited about this evening because we've got a wonderful evening lined up for you. We'll give you chances to go to that bar and grab that drink, so don't worry, all you gentlemen out there. But I truly hope that the celebrations don't pause only after tonight, but they always continue in our journey with Terra Data. So do you watch a lot of movies? Come, stand. No, come on, you're looking so pretty. Isn't she looking really pretty this evening? All right, this is Nokia India Fest, India's biggest college festival. We've seen more than like 3,000 people here today. Let's hear you make some noise, all you 3,000 people. Are we going to whistle for him? Okay, I have a truly silk man over here at the Berger Silk Nights. If you can introduce yourself to the camera and tell your name. Does everybody know her? Don't hunt her down now. I can see that table over there. Do not trouble her tomorrow at work. So 1, 2, 3. Screw the light bulb. Make a rainbow. Stop the cigarette. And turn around. That's easy. We went to 9 cities all over India. We handpicked some of the best talent from all over India to come here on this stage, on all these stages, to perform for the next 2 days. So, if I had to ask you, when you hear the word silk, what 3 words come to your mind? Sorry, this is PG rating.